No, I fucked up that transition. Welcome! Thank you, everybody, for another exciting episode of Pack Openings. Packs. Without further ado, lock in those predictions. We got a stellar crown for you coming in hot. Just opened it there for the first time ever. Ooh, it's dark. Mo Rotom. Score Bunny. A cover fossil. Panjam. Reshiram. Respect the Legends. Luminion. Marowak. Look at that, Nick. Ooh. Raging Bolt. The Ancient Raikou. We got a Reverse Raboot. And a Rhyperior. Oh, but this Dragon Raging Bolt. That's pretty solid. Alright, stellar crown, everybody. Now, journey together. Like I said, pretty good to us here. We got some good luck energy. We got the predictions in. Get your popcorn. Name that energy. Here we go. We got a pack of Journey Together. Lock it in, chat. Who got fire? Followed by Squobet. Matang. Noibat. Rockruff. Excavalier. Iono's Electrode. Volcarona. There's your fire bug, Catherine. Pelipper. Reverse Hollow. A Reverse Hollow Cramorant. Another Pelican. Number 181 out of 159. Special illustration rare. Ooh, a full art Ruffian. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Full art trainer cards. Pretty dope. Alright. Fire. Bobby, I got a Pokemon deck right here. We got a bunch of full art trainers. Bunch of dope EX cards in there. Alright, Clementine. She's excited for the Magikarp. She wants to see the fish. She just knocked over the phone. The Clemcam. Clementine. Damn. Alright, but seriously. The people are here for Magikarp, Clem. I'm sorry. We got 3 more packs to go to. Bear with me, folks. Oh, what's that song? Got some broiled Magikarp. The sun shall never set on the Legion of Clementine. our arrows will blot out the sun. And when we set the world ablaze, we will be dancing like flames. Clementine. It's the end times. Repent or perish. Sorry, this is the Pokemon stream, not the Conspiracy Theory podcast. Let's get back to the Paldea Evolved, huh? Let's get it. We got 2 with something on it. How the fuck did you get out? Clem, can you jump down here? Clem. Clem. Thank you for making that so much easier. Okay. So this is real professional. I don't edit anything out. This is going straight onto YouTube. Let's get ripping. Let's get these out of here, huh? Clementine. Clementine. You're not helping, girl. Look at her barging her face in here. You can't stop her. She wants to see the pack openings as much as you guys do. Literally just changed gloves. Fucking cat hair. This is real sweet. Alright. Naughty, naughty Clem. Yeah, that's right. Alright, here we go. We went through 6 gloves for 5 packs, chat. How else do you think my job ran out of those black gloves? Now I got blue ones that I had to pay for. Alright guys, I'm sorry. Predict that energy. It's time. Electric. Mischievous. Sneasel. Maschiff. Gothica. Zwellius. Mousehold. Sea Titan. Oh, Reverse Mankey. Reverse Dundun Sparse. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. Hollow Hariyama. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. No hate here. Strong Pokemon. Fighting type. Meowscarada. Predict that energy, chat. Are we getting the Magikarp? Come on. Let's get the Magikarp. Let's get that Magikarp, baby. Oh. Okay. There we go. Whoa. We're back, chat. What's that energy? Hit those Stevie emotes. Let's guess that energy. God, please be the Magikarp. Let's go. Come on. Steel. We have any lucky guesses so far? Hoppip. Makuita. Pincurchin. Dino. Toxicroak. Oranguru. Electrode. Reverse Q-Font. Reverse Tadbulb. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Skeldurge EX. Wow. Let's go. Fire Ghost type. Your starter Pokemon Fuecoco evolved. Skeldurge EX. Gotta love it. One more pack, chat. She is a beaut. Thank you, Bobby. I want this Magikarp. If you can't tell enough, I want this Magikarp. Come on, chat. Predict that energy. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Lock it in. Dark. Here we go. Here we go. Dino. Sandygast. Tarantula. Murkrow. Murkrow has been in the finals of Pokemon VGC, I'm pretty sure today in Italy, but Murkrow with an Evilite holding it down. Electrode. Giraffe-eye? Pincurchin? Oh, reverse Rookity. Reverse Shroodle. Number 238 out of 193. SIR. Special illustration rare. Psychic Terra Slowking EX. I thought it was shiny for a second. I almost just kicked everything over, dude. Let's fucking go. 2 sick EX cards. Back to back. Yo. Special illustration rare EX and a regular EX card. Back to back. Let's not forget our full art ruffian. And showing some respect to a new legend, Raging Bolt. God damn, dude. Let's go. Bobby, I like pretty much got those emotes for you. I mean, yeah, I love them too, but I was like, I need a dancing Gengar, and she threw in a Ghastly with them, and I'm like, perfect. I fucking love you too, man. We got a lot of friends and family in the chat right now that you guys don't even know each other, but I know they love you too. I've constantly been spreading the good word of Bobby B. I'm getting a bunch of my old friends linked back up because of this, and they've been telling me that they're playing Pokemon and stuff all over again. Oh, look at that. Not bad. $40 for a PSA 10? I could dig it. We love you, Bobby, says a Dragonite walking across the screen. Oh, man. I hope you guys had fun with some pack openings. If anyone wants to do some Terra raids or some shiny hunting, I think I'm going to clean this up, put these cards away in the binder or something like that. And if anyone wants to link up and play, that would be a good time. Load up your Scarlet or your Violet. Let's play some Pokemon. Let's have a picnic. Let's make a sandwich, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. More Pokemon coming soon. Oh, you got a trade for me? Let's fucking go. Alright, we're coming back for a trade. I'm gonna give Levi special attack speed EV trained Houndoom for a Flutter Mane, because I want an ancient team and I can't find a Flutter Mane. So stay tuned, we're gonna do some trades, maybe some Terra raids. I will be right back, and this will be a lot faster than last time. I promise.